The mission of Arkansas Advocates is to ensure that all children and their families have the ability and the resources to realize their full potential. You should engage with Arkansas Advocates if you feel like there is still work to be done in our state. And I think whether that's in the area of education or juvenile justice or child welfare or food insecurity, there are spaces that we can be having a bigger conversation about how we can do better for our children.
There are a lot of ways people can get involved with the work of Arkansas Advocates. I think one really important one is to talk with your legislators about issues that are important to you and your community. One really great thing that Arkansas Advocates for Children and Families does is make sure that we put out the best policy information to help people make good decisions when they are deciding what policies to support. We also host events throughout the state, throughout the year, and online to educate people about the most pressing issues impacting kids in our state. Those are really great opportunities for you not to only learn in depth about these different policy areas, but also to connect with other advocates who care about the same issues as you.
I started going to Soup Sunday with my family a long time ago and have always admired the organization. And when I was asked to serve on a board, jumped at the opportunity.
I got involved about 3 years ago, and I was looking for an organization where I could use my food background to maybe help make it better in certain capacities. And this year I've been fortunate enough to be a co-chair, but I just really like what the organization represents, and I really enjoy working with the people behind it.
I was so excited to join the Board of Arkansas Advocates because of their mission. I supported Arkansas Advocates as a donor even before I joined the board because their mission is so aligned with my values and because I'm a researcher. They're experts in policy research and analysis and breaking it down for people like me to know what just sounds like a good idea versus what has been implemented in a state like ours, and there's data to say it will move the needle. And so that kind of work, I think, is really worth financially supporting. One thing that I've learned as a board member at Arkansas Advocates is that the staff of Arkansas Advocates are constantly writing grants and looking to grants to support the work that they do. But grants have a specific focus area. They have specific activities that they allow you to do. And we need Arkansas Advocates to be flexible and to be able to work on all the issues that are involved with the mission of Arkansas Advocates. So we need to donate to agencies like AACF who can do policy work and who can do that policy analysis, do that research, share it with us, share it with our policy makers so that we're driving public policies that make sure kids can access the services that we know are valuable and important. It's that policy work that's going to make sustainable change.